How to reset settings in Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. You will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on apps and notifications. After you've clicked on apps and notifications, click on see all apps. After you've clicked on see all apps, select one of the app, which is settings. After you've clicked on settings, you will find this kind of screen. In here, click on storage and cache, which is the third option. After you're in here, you will find clear cache and clear storage option. Click on clear storage, then press on OK. After you've done that, your setting will be reset. And another thing what you can do is go back and scroll down in the settings and click on system. After you click on system, you will find reset options. Click on reset options. In here, click on erase all data. Do this only if you want to reset everything on your phone. Then press on erase all data and you're good to go. This is how to reset settings in Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.